How to change button color in Shopify store. So the first step is to go to themes, then simply click on customize, and then you're gonna have to go to theme settings, then simply go to buttons, and as you can see here you have different settings, so you can add if you want shadows. Now if you want just to change the color, simply go to colors and then click on color schemes. Now before you do that, I suggest you to choose here and go to the product page to see the current color of the button, and as you can see it's this one here, the gray one. So you're gonna have to simply click on any of these, and then you're gonna have to simply change it. And as you can see, even for this text here is gonna be changed. So you're gonna have to simply look for the one that your button has it, and basically that's all you have to do. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.